In my previous video, we made a lot of progress over the past months on building an aviary that can stand all weather conditions. This week was exciting, getting toys into the aviary. Use sturdy materials such as wire mesh with a small gauge to prevent predators from gaining access. Mesh allows visual and physical contact with the surroundings, can enhance the bird's mental stimulation and mimic a more natural habitat. Ensure that the aviary is fully enclosed, including the top, sides, and bottom. The availability of visual and physical contact with the surroundings can positively impact the bird's overall mental health. It helps to prevent boredom, frustration, and the development of behavioral problems that can arise from a lack of stimulation in a confined space. Concrete can contribute to the thermal insulation of the wall. It has inherent properties that help regulate temperature and reduce heat transfer. By adding a layer of concrete, the wall becomes more resistant to heat loss or gain, leading to improved energy efficiency and a more comfortable indoor environment. We took things up a notch and gave the entire aviary a dazzling coat of yellow paint to harmonize with the beauty of nature. Alright, it's that exciting moment when we dive into creating the perfect interior for our beloved aviary. I simply adore the pristine elegance of white walls because they give off such a refreshing and clean vibe. Plus, my adorable Budgies are absolute cuties on a white background.
First, I'm going to place this 3D printed wheel. In my future video, I'm going to publish how I made this toy for Budgies. And also, I made this millet holder.
When it comes to the healthiest perch options for our feathered companions, nothing beats the wonders of natural branches. And guess what? I've got a fantastic choice lined up for our Budgies: apple branches. These little birdies will feel right at home perched on these safe and sound branches, bringing a touch of nature inside their cozy aviary. And branches need to be secured to the wall. This is the most fun part. It's like decorating a Christmas tree. Budgie toys are a must for the aviary, and they look amazing.
Do you remember this? It was our first do-it-yourself Budgie toy. And these foraging toys are from Planet Pleasure.
Planning toy positions and perches take time, and also keeping an open space for Budgies to fly in an aviary. Budgie toys in an aviary offer more than just entertainment. They provide mental stimulation, encourage physical activity, and help satisfy the natural instincts of these playful and curious birds. Foraging toys in a Budgie aviary serve a dual purpose. Not only do they provide mental stimulation and physical exercise, but they also mimic the natural foraging behavior of Budgies in the wild. Thank you, members, for your amazing support. I would be grateful if you could spare a moment to check out my previous Budgie video and consider subscribing.